It's a cantaloupe. So far. Oh, it's a tree. It's a tree. Okay. Gokseong County is a rural area west of Jirisan National Park. This small town is the home of the Zhiyun Train Village, where you can ride a steam engine or a rail bike along the old railroad track by the Zhiyun River. We didn't have a place to stay lined up ahead of time, and when we arrived in Gokseong Tuesday night, it was after dark. So we just stopped at the first place we saw near the train village and spent the night there. It had a few minor inconveniences, but it was all right. So I went in to ask the lady, and it's like a guest house slash restaurant, and so she was in the kitchen working on stuff, and there's not anybody else around. It's all closed down. I stuck my head in and said, "Gokseong," and she came out, and I was like, "You do the guest house?" And she said, "Yeah." And I said, "You have a room?" And she's like, "Well, yes, there is room, but our boiler broke a couple days ago, so the hot water is not coming out." And I said, "Oh, well, is it like really cold?" And she said, "You want to come feel it?" So I, got to go in the bathroom and feel the water, and I thought, I guess it's doable. It wasn't freezing. So, and this lady was just so sweet. She was trying so hard to help us last night because she's like, "Have you eaten?" And I said, "No, we were going to go find something." And she's like, "Oh, I didn't have any customers, so I already closed up." And we had this big traditional baekpan thing for lunch, and that was awesome. But I was thinking, I think the kids would really like some pizza. So I haven't had that since we've been here. And so she was kind of just sort of vaguely telling me, like, "Yeah, if you go over that way, like, there's a pizza place." And so we headed over there, and then we spotted the Paris baguette, and we ran around the corner to park. And there was a coffee shop called Pongdang, which is a song that I know is like Pongdang, Pongdang, Danjija. So I was like looking at it, like, "Look, it's Pongdang." And the dog said, "Look, here's the pizza place." We did get some pizza and got some sleep, and in the morning headed over to the train village. You're supposed to hit the drum 3 times and make a wish, and also make a donation, but we didn't realize it at the time. The money goes to charitable causes in the area.
This is hilarious. Hi. Which side is this? The cow leather or the bull leather?
Oh, I don't know. Do you want to do it?
Sure.
You'll never get another chance to beat a big drum like that.
Probably not.
Look at the other side too.
So we do not get to do the rail bike. It was so sad. We made it here by 9, and they said, "Oh, we're not doing the rail bike right now." I guess there's times when they like shut it down for maintenance or something. I tried calling yesterday, and all I was getting was the menu, and there wasn't anything in the menu about talking to a person. So I did not get to talk to anybody. And now we've rushed to get over here by 9, and there's nobody here. It's kind of funny. So we decided we'd come in and see.
Doing something over
Yeah, there's people gardening or something over there. But did you find some more ants?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kate's been finding many ants. Gimme. So we decided to come in and see the train village anyway, even though we did not get to do the rail bike. And we're just walking through this very empty place. And like promptly at 9 o'clock, all the fountains came on. And we were walking right by one, and it kind of scared us. That was funny, huh? Yeah.
Well, I was right next to it.
Kate was right next to it, and I went, "Ah!" And she went, "Ooh." So mostly I just wanted to do the rail bike because it looks like fun. It like goes down by the river, and it looked really pretty. There's a rail bike in Yosu too. Like when I told Imo that we were going to come up here and do the rail bike, she's like, "Oh, there's one of those here." I said, yeah, I know. That one looked a little weird though. Like it just goes down by the water and then it goes through this tunnel and there's lights. They're like, woohoo! And then it like turns around and comes back and that's it.
Slide thing? A climbing thing?
Is it?
Yeah.
It could just be a piece of conceptual art.
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's look at it.
Playground to me.
Looks like a big dragonfly.
I think these look
Can I
like.
get it in here? Yeah, a big mesh dragonfly. It could be. It could be a playground. We should go take a look
There's
at
a
it.
playground down there.
Right.
Is there any way to get down there?
Oh, I'm sure there is. We'll go do that.
See.
These kids need a playground. They've been real troopers, just following us around and walking, and going up many stairs. What? They had no choice. That's right. But yes, we will definitely work some playgrounds into our trip here. Okay. Yeah. So here's the giant rhinoceros beetles. This one,
tea. You're thirsty.
this one apparently has been drinking. Yeah, it's just tea though, so you know. He's not moving, Kate.
Yeah.
He's not moving.
Of course.
Okay, we'll go see the big dragonfly thing.
So you're going.
Yeah.
Yep. That is the inn.
It makes sense.
Ipgu means inn. It doesn't look like there's actually slide or anything. It's just you climb up and then you come down the stairs. That's somewhat anticlimactic. Plus you can't go up higher than that.
Nope.
What do you think of that, Andy? We didn't get to do the long rail bike course by the river, but there is a short course inside the park on an oval track surrounded by some amusing artwork. Our visit to the train village didn't turn out the way we were expecting, but we enjoyed checking out the park for a while, and then had the rest of the day to do some other things.
Anything with this handle.
No. Cute.
Thanks for watching.